Theophilus Anani, so open the best media school in Ghana there, and a too much multimedia college. If we say a band equipment apapa, a chair for our quadro ewadisium, any air conditioned room there, a band media law, advertising, camera handling, and marketing there. And then a location or Abeka Park Junction. Fanamba ne boasio, na wankasa frɛ. Na obi andada wa, na memo bi nkasa me frama. Wankasa frɛ, abati bi.
Yo abusuafo ene adofulum ene den ye de ani ekokopie mu ewo Nigeria produe no emu e de no kasa university student bi ateki wono ankasa ne life wono ankasa de ne kra ahye wono an nsache se wadi ne hu edi afri atiasefo asasi eso na denti a ema ne tu sa anamo ene botaya wogina so ede eyeye no ede abusuafo de se ye dwen ho a enya de se yetiase because empempi no dodo na afasa wo ye oni mu dodo na afri sa atiti ni mu afri aba wo man dwin se wo mu eku wo mu nto wo nte ase se abaya yi ede wo no de because of enunti no otimi etu eyesa anamo na ansa na ye de ensem no mu enchemu ebeba abesomo no na mekai mo ese ochade herbal center na eso yasen ema ye de adwumedie no eba ebebesomo ochade se yare bera ayekwanko ete wo so se yes syphilis gonorrhea candidiasis oba wo pa wo be ma wo low sperm count enunti amaje se wo nsuo no enwan rich is a wo de boss na why enwan faso dia enfri so ema ositutu meka na ba na so ye eso ehoro no benam ehaban ene inubena nyame amani nimde ewo ho no de etu ase dekum ede amana ebusuafo ye to ensem no eso ede university student and dia ebebeto edwa eye Osho Koya Deborah Oyemikun achese wo watai Solarin University of Education of Muchanitia Efren Tusi achese ewo Nigeria na ye kan one same achese enede sa abaya Deborah yi watona nanom ewo ensego because of say we failing one of her course papers enwentia and we failing one of her course papers enunti na amane nam so agene kra ede efri nse because oshem results na eba out na achese enye to her expectation say they na wo hwehwe and say they na wo dwen ho senka this time around can the result be banan ke bianka when you first class up and they come home ankosa amfa amanu na emom de won ni enna de wan susu no eno enensa eka ye busuafo on say esu bia ne hawa wo take ne nyoma esef obu wo no be wo class ni ba je esan so nim say aha after all class ni na wasoa enti ni age obi so timi di second no wo no susu esu adenti a ono susu say adenti na me susu mendi first ni ebie na wo bi ababetu enti obi ne hawa wo react to ensem a eba na apono so no na je say abaya de or not the reaction no eba yet to the extent of say watching a cry a day every inside and no nam so ama one more penny awada tesud no SUG president ye papa ni Mr. Reibu so dik and some ebebetu ejana and some of the two janonam so de afuto eka ho na mama me kwan na menken emfa emma say attention. Moments ago we received a very disheartening news about Miss Oyemikun Deborah, graduate of Adult Education 2019-2020 set, who took her own life because of possible extra year. Dear Tessudite, when you feel like giving up, just remember the reason you held on for so long. The person who commits suicide dies once, but those he or she left behind die 1,000 while relying those terrible moments. We need to all come to the understanding that taking our own lives is not about us alone. We still need to ring the bell that some lives are attached to ours for survival and destiny fulfillment. What happens to these people when we take our own life? Suicide doesn't end the chance of life getting worse. Either does it eliminate the possibility of it ever getting any better. When there is life, there is hope. Please stay strong at all times and speak with someone if the need arises. And no any answer no one for answers I will say it is highly understandable. When life brings a lot of burden upon us, sometimes we get so discouraged, frustrated, and unhappy. Truth is, life is struggle. Truth is, life struggles are inevitable, and because every problem has a solution, this too shall pass. Please stay alive. Or to so and also the moment you start thinking about suicide, just about mission. Suicide does not only end your dream, it ends the dreams of those attached to you. #no to suicide. Na ebusiafo eno ene eyeye papa yi nense ma chese wo no so no ede etu edwa ebebeto emonten eso. Na no nanam so amadodo na so ede wo mo adwenkyere ene wo mo ensema babetu edwa ese. Abaya na no montu a wotu ye no ede mu ni se entwe ye kwakwakwakwa because den a school die wo kwa se position a wo hwehwe na se de wo hwehwe se wo benya. Enya de se wo betimi enya na sa pepepe. Wo exams bo ha betimi atwero wo betimi wo se we die 100% we dey me training nyina so be ba na che sa chechefo no wo matete wa wo dwen ho a wo ntiase wo mo so ewo explanation na se wo mo ewo ye defense a wo dey be defend dey ntia wo mo etiti wo no enyina na susu ni nyina emu no ni kwan se wo ma enu ebu wa ba mu ana se ni kwan se wo dwen enu ho na wo ka se enu nti no wo je wo kra ede efi sa se de ye papa no ede atu edwa no na che se wo yi wo kra ede efi wo ma dwen wo mo nsusu a wo mo ye attach you no wo nim nipa wo nsusu no wo stay alive na wo nsema wo de eto abonte no attract se nipa na ma wo nsusu move forward ma ye nteki se suicide enkwa the only option because the moment you get out of hand and say we fear that was as no na just wo ma enkofo so ani so ade hu no ekọ former ensa also for wadi ntwa efa ensemi hu ensoso enese wo betimi dia babeto edwa to GH comment section like if videos not share on other social media platform so media any equia sika pa that's na ye besan edi e share e makro kwajo what you